Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of jackfruit and uncovering 10 surprising benefits of this tropical superfood. Jackfruit is more than just a tasty treat, it's a powerhouse of nutrition and health benefits. From boosting your immune system to aiding in weight loss, this fruit has it all. Its vibrant yellow flesh and unique flavor make it a delightful addition to any meal. So, stick around as we explore the incredible benefits of jackfruit and why you should consider making it a staple in your diet. Let's get started. Jackfruit is rich in vitamins, minerals, and fiber. It's an excellent source of vitamin C, potassium, magnesium, and dietary fiber, essential for good health. These nutrients work together to support various bodily functions, from boosting your immune system to promoting healthy skin. Including jackfruit in your diet can help ensure you're getting a wide range of nutrients important for overall health. One of the standout benefits of jackfruit is its high vitamin C content, which strengthens the immune system. Vitamin C enhances the production of white blood cells, essential for defending the body against infections. The antioxidants in jackfruit also help reduce inflammation and protect your cells from oxidative stress. So, if you're looking to give your immune system a natural boost, jackfruit is a delicious and nutritious way to do it. The high fiber content in jackfruit makes it excellent for promoting healthy digestion. Fiber supports the growth of beneficial gut bacteria, essential for overall gut health. For those who suffer from digestive issues, jackfruit can be a game changer. So, if you're looking to improve your digestive health, incorporating jackfruit into your diet is a smart and tasty choice. Maintaining a healthy heart is crucial, and jackfruit can support cardiovascular health. The potassium content in jackfruit helps regulate blood pressure levels, reducing the risk of hypertension. Fiber helps to lower cholesterol levels by binding to cholesterol particles and removing them from the body. By including jackfruit in your diet, you can support a healthy heart and reduce your risk of cardiovascular diseases. Unlike processed snacks, jackfruit offers natural sugars, fructose and glucose, that provide sustained energy without the crash. These natural sugars are easily digestible and quickly absorbed by the body, making jackfruit an excellent source of quick and lasting energy. The natural sugars in jackfruit are complemented by its high fiber content, ensuring a steady release of energy. So, next time you need an energy boost, reach for some jackfruit instead of a candy bar. One of the most impressive benefits of jackfruit is its ability to help regulate blood sugar levels. Jackfruit has a low glycemic index, meaning it releases sugar into the bloodstream slowly and steadily. The fiber content in jackfruit also plays a crucial role in blood sugar regulation. For those managing diabetes or looking to improve their blood sugar control, jackfruit is a delicious and nutritious option. The antioxidants in vitamin C in jackfruit play a crucial role in protecting skin cells from oxidative stress. Vitamin C is essential for the production of collagen, a protein that keeps the skin firm and youthful. By including jackfruit in your diet, you can help reduce the appearance of wrinkles and improve skin elasticity. By nourishing your skin from the inside out, jackfruit can help you achieve a healthy, glowing complexion. Jackfruit is a low-calorie fruit rich in dietary fiber, making it excellent for those looking to manage or lose weight. The high fiber content helps to increase satiety and reduce overeating by promoting a feeling of fullness. Additionally, its natural sweetness can satisfy sugar cravings without the need for high-calorie desserts. By incorporating jackfruit into your meals and snacks, you can enjoy a delicious and filling food that supports your weight loss goals. Maintaining strong and healthy bones is essential, and jackfruit can contribute to better bone health. Jackfruit contains calcium, crucial for bone strength and the prevention of osteoporosis. In addition to calcium, jackfruit also contains magnesium and vitamin K, both of which play important roles in bone health. By incorporating jackfruit into your diet, you can provide your body with the essential nutrients it needs to maintain healthy bones. Staying hydrated is essential for overall health, and jackfruit can help you maintain proper hydration levels. Jackfruit has a high water content, making it a naturally hydrating fruit. Including jackfruit in your diet, especially on hot days or after intense physical activity, can help replenish lost fluids. By enjoying jackfruit as a refreshing snack, you can support your hydration needs and enjoy its delicious flavor at the same time. And there you have it. 10 incredible benefits of jackfruit that make it a must-add to your diet. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips and nutrition advice. Your support helps us create more content that can make a positive impact on your health journey. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Stay healthy and keep exploring the wonderful world of nutritious foods.